And Beans over here, who's usually the more chill of the two. Hello, Beans. Say hello, baby. Hi, girl. Hi. Hi. Oh, and another downward dog for you real quick. Hello. So you guys, this is the island of Loma Partida. And this is Misty Moonlight Villa. And I am here on a brand project, a press trip, as well as I found them on a platform called Workaway. And beautiful, beautiful property, over 15 acres, and 34 families, or 34 homes are on this property. Are not on the property actually, but on the island. So Misty Moonlight Villa, you can see down there is the Dolphin Suite. And within the house and where I'm staying, the water house, is a full house that you can rent. And up top, you're gonna see some highlights and in process as we go through the property and behind the scenes of Nativo Lodge and the Mountain House and much more. But look at this, isn't it amazing? This is about 45 minutes off of the coast of Bocas del Toro. So this is one of the islands in the archipelago, or archipelago, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And I will definitely Google that and sound it out and make sure, hear somebody saying it. But look at this. This is the view. This is where I do several of my mornings. So I'm going to show you guys some more highlights and behind the scenes. Hello, Oscar. Oscar. Hello, baby. He's leading the way to go feed Coco. And that is the main house that you see over there. Look at these views, you guys. This is Coco. I just fed her bananas and she's still eating. And she, I think, accidentally bit my hand because she saw I had food in. And she sneaks out sometimes, you guys, and comes to the water house. They can't figure out where her hole is. She's a rescue. Her two sisters, her brothers, flew away and they had a family meeting a couple years ago. Hi for the camera, Coco. Coco. So this is Coco, you guys, a rescue toucan. She did have two brothers or sisters and they went off in the wild, but Coco kept coming back. And sometimes she sneaks in the water house when she doesn't have enough food, or she wants more food. Maybe it's not that she doesn't have enough. Look how beautiful she is. Look at her beak. So beautiful. And I just came to feed her bananas and she ate a whole bunch off her plate. And then when she was getting really close, I backed up. So I dropped some on the floor, and apparently she doesn't eat off the floor because she wouldn't get those. But then she bit my finger a little bit, but no mark is left. That's a bug bite or something. And yeah, so here's Coco. Coco, come show them how you eat your bananas. Come, Coco, come. Still have food. Look, Coco, look, come get it, Coco. Good girl. Come show them how you eat. Come show them. Look, it's right there. Go get it. Look, not me. Silly, I don't have the banana. The banana's on your table. The banana's on your table, beautiful. Huh, beautiful? The banana's on your table. Talk to them. Say hello. Show them, Coco. Look, Coco. Look. Go eat. Go eat, Coco. Go eat, Coco. Eat your banana. Over there.